Huh? What is this over here?
Tom, please do not press that button.
Don't step on that button, Tom!
Why, Ben?
Because you're gonna trigger the alarm when you press that button!
Oh, I see.
Now let's back away and pretend it never happened.
James, dear, why should he not trigger the alarm?
Because Natalie, dear, if he does, we better blame him for it.
All right.
Ah, great, Ben. I just touched that button.
Oh? Which button was it?
The one that triggers the alarm!
Oh no! We better run!
Tom, what did you do? You weren't supposed to press that button.
How dare you press that button? Now we're all in big trouble. Ben, knock Tom off his feet. He should have known better than to touch that button.
Oh no! I pressed the button, Ben!
Tom! What have you done?
I don't know, I just triggered the alarm!
Now you better listen next time, Tom.